mo na bang alamin ang mga susing impormasyon na magdadala sa iyo sa mas matagumpay na karera, mas malalim na pag-ibig at mas maganang kalusugan sa Abril 2025? Halika't samahan kami sa pagbasa ng taro na tiyak na magbibigay ng liwanag sa iyong hinaharap. Aquarius, ang theme for the month of April ay ghost. So, this month of April, maaring merong bumalik from the past. So, it can be a situation, it can be a person na merong unresolved situation ito. So, hindi ito nabigyan ng closure at this April, it will be coming back or it will be paying you a visit. So, during this time, if and when this unresolved issue or this person from the past comes back, tingnan mo or observe the emotions that you are feeling because part of resolving the problem or having closure for this ghost is to see how you feel about the situation. So, yan ang tema. Maaaring may mga bagay na unresolved situations from the past, problems na hindi na-resolve from the past na maaaring bumalik ngayong April. So, there might be a lot of ghosts, kumbaga, that will be coming back this month. Okay, we are now here sa career reading ninyo for the month of April. And the card that came out is the moon card in the upright. So, for this month, ang sinasabi dito, there would be a lot of unclear things when it comes to your career. Maybe trajectory-wise, things are not parang hindi ito klaro, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, or you might be feeling a little bit parang nagdadalawang isip pagdating sa iyong career because of maaaring you're not that yung kumbaga hindi mo nakuha yung goals mo pagdating sa career mo. And with the clarifying cards here, it says that you might be okay when it comes to money. So you're abundant, you're doing pretty well. But the thing is, parang hindi ito fulfilling para sa'yo. So parang yes, you have money, you're getting money every month dahil dun sa trabaho mo, malaki yung sahod mo, or it's giving you enough para makaipon. Pero yung fulfillment, kumbaga, it's not the same as it was before. Hindi ka na excited pumasok, wala na yung passion para gawin yung trabaho mo. And with another set of cards here, it says, this has something to do with responsibilities for your family. So, maaring ikaw ang breadwinner or maaring ikaw ay nagtataguyod ng isang pamilya and the work is putting food on the table. But in reality, you're not that excited anymore. Or parang you need this job because you have to work and because it's putting food on the table or it's giving you money to go buy every day. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. Pero kung ikaw lang ang tatanungin, hindi na fulfilling or maaring bored ka na sa trabaho. And the next set of cards here, it says, you might love your job, parang you're very passionate about it, but the thing is, it's not giving you that happiness anymore. So, ang guidance para sa'yo, think about it. Mag-isip ka ng mabuti. Is this where you really want yourself to be? Or do you still see yourself 5 years from now, 10 years from now, doing exactly the same thing that you are doing right now? So, maaring doon napupunta yung hindi pagiging klaro about your career. So, yan ang guidance para sa'yo pagdating sa career mo. Okay, we are now going to the love reading or the romance reading for those of you who are in a relationship. If you're not in a relationship, you can skip this part and go to the next. So, this is the love reading for those in a relationship, and the card that came out is the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. So, April, as I see it, is mukhang it will be a hard month for those of you who are in a relationship, yung mga Aquarius na in a relationship. There are things that you might want to get, or dahil ikaw ay very dominant, gusto mo makuha yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, there are goals that you've already placed in your life and in your relationship. Maaring may mga bagay na hindi mo makuha this April. And it says here, there's a warning for you guys because you or your partner might be giving into other things that is meddling in the relationship. So, maaari itong trabaho, maaring nagbibigay ka ng mas madaming atensyon sa ibang tao kaysa dun sa partner mo, or you're being too generous with your time on other things instead of focusing on the relationship. So, you have to think about it. Ang guidance para sa'yo, do you still want to be in this relationship or do you want out? Kasi maaring you're not being your best self, or hindi na nag improve or nagkakaroon ng progress at growth ang sarili mo kapag ikaw ay in a relationship. So, are you manifesting for this relationship to end, or parang gusto mo pa bang ituloy kahit na marami kang mga bagay na hindi nakukuha, or yung mga goals ay hindi mo nakukuha dito sa relationship mo? For those of you who are single, ang sinasabi dito, yung opportunity to meet other people or to have a new relationship, hindi ito mapunta sa inyo. Why? Remember the theme, ghost. Maring nakatali ka pa din sa past mo. You're still binded or bounded to your past or your exes, at hindi ka pa rin makamove on dito. Ang guidance para sa'yo is now is time to let go already. Mag-let go ka na, iwanan mo na yung nakaraan. And masakit man ito, pero talagang kailangan mong i-face yung sakit, yung pain, yung heartbreak. Kasi dyan mo lang marirealize na kailangan mo mag-progress. Iiwan mo yung nakaraan dahil wala na itong naibibigay sa'yo na positibo. So, move on. Mahirap, masakit, it's heartbreaking, it's painful. You will need the strength that you will need all the strength that you can have for this moving on phase in your life. Niloko ka, tanggapin mo 'yun, or may panlolokong nangyari, but that is part of life. Kapag nakapag-move on ka na, then a new beginning or a good news will be coming in for you kasi meron ng espasyo para sa love life mo. So, iwanan na yung nakaraan. Yun ang payo para sa'yo this month. Okay, when it comes to your health, Aquarius, ang card na lumabas ay ang The Magician. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, pagdating sa iyong health, maaring okay ka naman. Pero kung ikaw ay nakakaranas ng ibang sakit, like yung mga sakit na nararamdaman mo na dati pa, ang payo sa'yo ng cards ay consult the doctor or a health expert kasi baka merong ibang ways in order to treat your sickness or your ailment. So baka may mga bagong discoveries of new things to cure your illness, or new ways to cure your illness. Wala namang masama to consult or to have that appointment with the health expert. Okay, so to end this tarot reading session, I have pulled out some oracle cards, and the first one is detoxify. So, ibig sabihin niyan, tanggalin yung mga negative sa buhay, tanggalin ang mga nega na tao sa buhay, tanggalin ang sarili sa mga sitwasyon na negative. So, try to detoxify. And the next one is assess the situation. So, before you decide on doing things, kailangan palaging i-assess or um, talagang pag-aralan yung mga steps bago ka mag-decide kung ano ang dapat mong gawin.